everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I am going to teach process costing. Method number 4, part output sold. Now let us start with question number 6. Unique Limited provides you the following information for the month of March 2014 about its process X, Y and Z. Prepare process accounts. So the expenses regarding the raw material, labor charges, sundry material, factory overheads, normal loss, scrap value and the output are given in the table for process X, process Y and process Z. So let us start with making the accounts. First let us start with process X account. So raw material introduced in units for process X is given as 20,000 and the cost of raw material per unit is given as 24. To raw material 20,000 units at the rate of rupees 24. So the total amount will be 4,80,000. Next, labor charges is given as 3,43,500 for process X. To labor charges 3,43,500. Next, sundry materials is given as 1,55,700 for process X. So we'll record it. To sundry material amount will be 1,55,700. Now factory overheads is given as 40% of raw material. So to factory overheads 40% of raw material, that is 4,80,000, will be rupees 1,92,000. Now normal loss, that is percentage of input for process X is given as 3% and the scrap value per unit for process X is given as 12. So let us record it by normal loss 600 at the rate of rupees 12. So the total amount will be 7,200. Now output transferred to the next process. For process X is given 70%. By process Y account, that is 70% of 19,400, which will be 13,580. Rate amount we have to calculate it. So let us start calculation of normal cost per unit. So normal cost per unit is equal to total cost minus normal loss amount divided by total quantity minus normal loss quantity. So let us prepare working note number 1. Normal cost per unit of process 1, which is equal to total cost. $4,80,000 plus 3,43,500 plus 1,55,700 plus 1,92,000. So the total amount will be 11,71,200 minus normal loss amount. Normal loss amount is 7,200 divided by total quantity. So the total quantity is 20,000 units minus normal loss quantity, which is 600 units, which is equal to 11,64,000 divided by 19,400, which is equal to rupees 60 per unit. So we'll record it 60 So the total amount will be 8,14,800. Now output sold at the end of the process is given as 30% for process X, and the selling price per unit of output sold is given as 65 for process X. So by sales, 30% of 19,400 will be 5,820, and the rate amount is given as 65. So the total amount will be 3,78,300. So the balancing figure will be transferred to costing profit and loss account, which is 29,100. So now let us take the total of both the side. Unit is 20,000 and the total amount is 12,300,000. Now let us prepare process Y account. So in process X account, the output that is to be transferred to process Y, which is 70%. So the units are 13,580 at the rate of 60. Total amount is 8,14,800. So we'll record it in process Y account. To process X account, 13,580 at the rate of rupees 60. Total amount will be 8,14,800. Now raw material introduced for process Y is given as 4,420, and the cost of material is given as 28 per unit for process Y. To raw materials, 4,420 at the rate of rupees 28. So the total amount will be 1,23,760. To labor charges for process Y is given as 2,93,700. So we'll record it 2,93,700. Now sundry materials for process Y is given as 1,160. So let us record it. To sundry materials, amount is given as 1,160. Next, factory overheads is given as 40% of labor charges. So we'll record it. To factory overheads, that is 40% of labor charges, that is 2,93,700. So the amount will be 1,17,480. Next, normal loss, which is given as percentage of input, is given as 5% for process Y, and the scrap value per unit is given as 15. By normal loss, 5% of input, which will be 900 at the rate of 15. So the total amount will be 13,500. Next, output transferred to the next process is given as 60% in process Y. So 60% of 17,100, which will be 10,260. Now let us calculate the rate amount. So we need to prepare working note number 2. Normal cost per unit of process 2, which is equal to total cost, which is 8,14,800 plus 1,23,760 plus 2,93,700 plus 1,160 plus 1,17,480, which will be 14,49,900 minus normal loss amount, which is 13,500 divided by total quantity. So the total quantity amount is 13,580 plus 4,420, amounting 18,000 minus normal loss quantity, which is given as 900 units, which is equal to 14,36,400 divided by 17,100, which is equal to rupees 84 per unit. So we'll record it 84. So the total amount will be 8,61,840. Next, output sold at the end of the process is given as 40% for process Y, and the selling price per unit of output sold is given as 88 per unit in process Y. By sales, 40% of 17,100, which will be 6,840, and the rate amount is given as 88. So the total amount will be 6,01,920. Now the balancing figure will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. So the amount will be 27,360. Now let us take the total of both the side. Unit is 18,000 and the total amount is 14,77,260. Now let us prepare process Z account. So the output of in process Y account, which is to be transferred to process Z, units are given as 10,260 at the rate of 84 unit, at the rate of rupees 84. So the total amount will be 8,61,840. So we'll record it in process Z account. To process Y account, 10,260 at the rate of 84, which is 8,61,840. Next, raw material introduced in units is given as 3,740 for process Z, and the cost of raw material per unit is given as 32 in process Z. So let us record it. To raw material, 3,740 units at the rate of rupees 32. So the total amount will be 1,19,680. Next, labor charges, which is given as 2,44,800 in process Z. So we'll record it to labor charges. Total amount is 2,44,800. Next, sundry material is given as 89,480 for process Z. To sundry materials, amount is 89,480. Now, factory overheads is given as 40% of labor charges. So 40% of labor charges being 40% of 2,44,800, which will be 97,920. Now, normal loss, which is percentage of input, is given as 7% in process Z, and the scrap value per unit is given as 21 in process Z. So we'll record it by normal loss 7% of input, which will be 980 at the rate of rupees 21. So the total amount will be 20,580. Output transferred to the next process is given as nil, and the output sold at the end of the process is given as 100% in process Z. Selling price per unit of output sold is given as 110 in process Z. So by sales at the rate of 100%, which will be 13,020 at the rate of 110. So the total amount will be 14,32,200. Now the balancing amount will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. So the total amount is 39,060. Now let us take total of both the side. So the units are 14,000 and the total amount is 14,52,780.